It is Gadget Friday. I am Marlis from Adventures with Tea, and we have a very fun gadget today that's great for summer treats for the kids or the big kids or anybody who loves frozen treats of any kind. This is the Zoku Quick Pop Maker, and we absolutely love this. We don't use it nearly often enough, actually. But anyway, I don't know how well you can see, but we've got one pop that we've already frozen in here. The way it works is you keep, kind of like, probably like your ice cream maker that you use, you keep it frozen in your freezer, and then it's ready to go at a moment's notice, and you pour. So we've got one pop that's about ready to come out, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works here. So I'm going to pour this carefully. Whoops. The goal is to pour it in the hole and not all over the top, but there you go. So anyway, so you pour that in, and you can freeze them in as little as 7 or 8 minutes, but for this actually, I didn't tell you, this is our Mint Mocha Pops, which was a recipe from issue 4 of our Adventures with Tea eMagazine. It's just milk infused with our Mint on the Veranda and On-the-Go Metro teas. So anyway, but you can use all different kinds of things. You can use, we've also got a recipe on the website for melon pops made with pureed cantaloupe. That's really fun. You can do chai, lots of different things. Basically, it doesn't work to just freeze the tea because you need to have something of substance. So like a fruit juice, have some sugar, something with sugar in there. So milk, fruit juice, something. I suppose if you did super sweet tea, it would work. But anyway, so here's how it works. You have these little sticks, the little handles, and you can probably see they're textured so that it helps to make the pop, whatever you're making, stick to it. But anyway, so you put those down in there, and then when you're ready to go, it's this little handy tool that's called the super tool, and you just put that on, screw it on to your handle until your pop comes loose, and then you can put it back in for just a second to take that off. So you take the handle back off, and then you've got this great little drip guard that snaps on, and there you have your Quick Pop. Isn't that awesome? So anyway, that is our tip for today. Be sure to go to adventureswithtea.com and check out our recipes for pops. It's a fun tool, and you can do all kinds of cool things with it, and just enjoy the rest of your summer. Bye!